Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPJPY in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart. So let's try to understand the importance of each and every level. Let's try to unfold the picture. So let's get started. So first of all, if you look at the chart of GBPJPY, then we can see that overall market is in downtrend. Okay, if we consider the chart of GBPJPY from this point onwards, then we can see that GBPJPY is in downtrend overall. And if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, or if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then we can see that this market is in sideways right now. Overall trend of the GBPJPY may seem to be in downtrend. Okay, may seem to be in downtrend, but right now this market is sideways. Okay, and as overall trend is towards the downside, therefore we are also having a resistance. Okay, and this red line, this red line is the resistance for GBPJPY, and as you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing selling pressure from above, or this trend line was acting or still acting as a very much strong resistance for the market. Whenever market was trying to go up, this trend line was present and never allowed the market to go up. So if you do not have this trend line on your charting platform, then I'll request you, my dear friends, that you should draw this line, because this is a valid resistance on the chart of GBPJPY. So today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 1 week, 2 week, doesn't matter. Okay, whenever market will be going up, it will face resistance at this trend line. And if market reverses from this trend line after facing resistance, then definitely you can short the market here. Yes. So this is your first trading opportunity on the GBPJPY. Clear? Shorting the market at this trend line. So the next important level on the GBPJPY chart is this line at the bottom, and this line is the 149.50. We have a resistance in the form of a trend line, so definitely we should have a support on the chart as well, and this is the strongest support on the chart of GBPJPY, 149.50 level. And why this level is important? To understand the importance of this level, we need to go to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of GBPJPY. Let me remove the drawings here, and now you can see that whenever market faced selling pressure from above, this level was always present. This was the level that provided support to the market, 149.50. And if we look at the weekly chart of GBPJPY, now we can see that GBPJPY is in uptrend in the higher time frame, the weekly time frame, and this is just the consolidation. So the big boys, the big players are very much bullish on GBPJPY, and we have a very strong support at 149.50 level, this level. And as you can see that whenever market was facing selling pressure from above, this level always provided support to the market. Therefore 149.50 is another level on the chart that should be present on your charting platform. So you are clear about this level, you are clear about this level. Okay, so whenever market will be going up, and if it reverses from here, you can short the market. And just the opposite, whenever market will be coming down in the future, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, 1 month, doesn't matter, whenever market will be coming down, and when it will reverse or bounce from this particular support, 149.50 level, definitely you can go for buy. Clear? So now let's understand what should be a strategy for Monday then. To understand the strategy for Monday, we must understand this particular portion of the chart here. As you can see that I have also drawn a line on the middle, and I have drawn this line because you can see that market is facing resistance here at this particular level. So This level is also important for the market right now, and the level is 151.40. My dear friends, if you do not have this line on your chart, then draw the line immediately, because this is the most important level for the Monday market right now. So draw this line, and definitely you will see that market is facing resistance. Whenever market is trying to go up, it is facing resistance at this level. Market is unable to cross the line. But on the downside, you can see that I have also drawn a trend line here. You can see that I have drawn a trend line here. And if you observe this portion of the market, then you can see that this looks like an ascending triangle pattern. Okay. Generally, I do not talk much about triangle patterns or any chart patterns, but this looks like an ascending triangle pattern. And the importance of this pattern is that whenever we get a scenario like this, there is a good possibility that market will be going up or market will be breaking this level. So on Monday, you have got two trading opportunities on GBPJPY chart. First of all, after the market opening on Monday, if market comes down and takes support at this trend line, listen to me carefully. After the market opening on Monday, if market comes down and takes support at this trend line, just observe the price. If you see market bouncing from this trend line, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is still valid, and you can easily go for buy. At this trend line. If you want to exit by this resistance, you can exit. But what I'm saying is that there is also a good possibility that market will be crossing this level, 151.40 level, 151.40 level. Because whenever we get a scenario like this, market usually gives a breakout. Because you can see that though market, try to understand the market psychology here, though market is unable to cross the resistance, but market is constantly forming lower highs here. Market is not breaking or crossing the previous lows, rather market is forming new lows, the higher lows here. Okay, therefore this is a bullish indication, and which clearly signifies that bulls are present in the market and they are giving a very tough fight. They are giving their best shot to take the price upward, and in a scenario like this, market usually goes up. So if market goes up from here on Monday, definitely you can go for buy. But just make sure that you do not buy immediately. Wait for at least 4 hours. Wait for at least one candle to close above this level. After 4 hours, if you see that market is still trading comfortably above this level, above this resistance level, then you can easily go for buy, because you'll get a confirmation that the resistance has become support. So you can buy above this line, and you can also buy at this trend line. Okay, and if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, my dear friends, so this is the forex sentiment meter, and you'll find the forex sentiment meter on my website avilashazarika.com under forex 101 section. So in the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 64% retail traders have taken short position and 35% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and mostly they lose money because they fail to understand the psychology of the market. They fail to understand the trend of the market. Okay, and right now we can see that there is a good possibility the market will be going up. Okay, and one more thing, my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market on a regular basis, so that you can also make good money from it. If you are interested, just go through the information here, and you can also visit this separate page here. I have a separate page for pro trader. Okay, and if you want to learn from me, if you are a new trader, if you are a beginner, if you are interested in learning, you can just visit the workshop page here. Okay, you will find all the necessary information. So yeah, you'll find everything that you need to know and what I'll be teaching. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again. Bye bye.